Okay, in this video we are going to learn how to download FireKirin on your iPhone. For that you have to first open up any browser. Here I am using Safari. After that click on the search bar and type in FireKirin. After you click on the search, you can see different links here. You have to click on the link which says start.firekirin.xyz. Click on it. Now you will get this home page, and here you can see different options. If you want to download it on Android, you can click on Android, and to download on iPhone, click on iOS 1. Now it will direct you to this new page, and here you have to type in the download code which is given by your agent. Simply ask them for the code and type it here. After you type in the code, click on verify and you will be able to download FireKirin on your iPhone. Following this simple and easy step, you can now download FireKirin on your iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.